Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be unboxing some more of my free products that I got in the post. So stay tuned to see what I get. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button if you're new to this channel to see more of my content, and press the bell to be the first one to be notified when I upload. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and like I said in the intro, I'll be unboxing some more of my free products I got in the post. I've got a couple this week, about 3 or 4 items, so let's get cracking. I got that one, and inside it was a John Frieda Frizz Ease Deep Conditioner, which will be very handy, and as I'm running that conditioner. And I got this from Latest Free Stuff, but I will link the John Frieda website and this type of conditioner down at the bottom, and also on eBay, so if you did want to go pop on there and buy some, you can. So that's that one. Next one was from a big package like this. This one I actually emailed the company, and it was from Harrison's. I've got this little bag here, and they're all different sauces. I was asked for a sample, and the first one I got was English mustard, salad cream, tomato ketchup, tartar sauce, brown sauce, mayonnaise, barbecue, vinaigrette, French dressing, got some malt vinegar there, and I've got this one which is a very hot sauce. It says on the packet, see if I can get it to focus. There you go, very hot chili sauce. So thank you, that'd be very handy. I love sachets because they're a lot easier to use rather than the bottles, and also definitely as I'm going on holiday, they'll be great for different bits like that. Let's pop them away. So thank you again. I'll pop their website down in the description if you want to buy some sauces. They do different bits. They do not only sachets, they do bottles, they do other types of condiments. They do the big bottles, jars, any type of sauce. So next one is in a brown envelope like this, and again I think I got this one from Latest Free Stuff, and inside that was a little trio autosme care, and I got 2 of these, and I think they're to do with silicone, so I'll give them a test on my teeth, and we'll see how they get on. So obviously the video for that will be on Wednesday. And the last sample I've got is in this envelope. I got 2 of them, so let's open them up and see what it is. I got a letter which says it's from Beatrix Taste Test Kit. So I ordered a test kit, like a little challenge that me and Brandon will be doing. So it's just the instructions of what's in the kit, and what is in the kit is a little card which goes to your nose like this and it's got the instructions on the back of what to do. I think this is still available, and also as well as that, you've got the test strips. It's upside down. So what I'll do is in another video I'll review them, so that these won't be in Wednesday's video, they'll be in a separate video called Beatrix Taste Test Challenge, so stay tuned on my channel for that one. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much. There's only a couple of bits again this week. Some more have been ordered, so I should get a big haul for them, so can't wait for that, fingers crossed. So if you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favourite freebie has been so far on my channel and why. So don't forget to subscribe and press that bell. The subscribe button should be somewhere around here, and to be notified of when I upload. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.